In this recording, sizobe discussa ama investments nama loans. We are comparing ama investments nama loans. Actually, uyabona mos mhlambe let's say ufuna i-loan, ufuna ukufinance ilo kanje indlu yakho, right? So ama banks are not created equal. Ubank A ngaku-offera less interest on ilo kanje, on i-loan yakho, meaning that i-loan ozoyithatha ama-interest oyowabhadala azoba less. Bank number 2 angaku-offera more yama-interest, meaning that now uthatha i-loan uzowenzani, uzobhadala more yama-interest, uyabona, meaning that leyo loan iba expensive. So with ama-investments the same, it's true nakhona. Nangabe uthatha imali yakho uyi-investa ku-bank number 1, bank number 1 akutshela ukuthi hey ngoku-offera 10% mina per annum, omunye athi ngikofara 11%, omunye athi ngikofara 8%. So it's always a good idea ukuthi ukwazi ukucalculate ukuthi nangabe nya investor la ama returns wami in the next 10 years azobe angakanani, right? So we will be comparing those options within our loans nani nama investments. So we are comparing investments and loan in this recording again. So let's start with our investments. Let's say option A, maybe Capitec Bank. I'm not saying good na exam komele wenze so. FNB or option B, right? FNB. So in an exam, there's no need for this. So I'm just using Capitec and FNB just to paint a picture nje. Uyabona ngoba option A komela avele ku bank number 1, option B avele ku bank number 2. But determine which investment option is better. Payments start immediately. Option A, 2,000 rand invested on a monthly basis for 10 years at 18% per annum, compounded monthly. This could be someone eloka eCapitec okuncedayo mhlambe ukutshela ngama investments uthi hey thina lana ka Capitec we are offering this much, then we are phuma eCapitec we are FNB bakutshela the same story but okay ngale 2,000 rand ofuna ukuyi-investa on a monthly basis, now ufuna uyibeka for 15 years uzothola ama returns ango 15% per annum compounded monthly. Okay ke ungakhohlwa phela, ungakhohlwa. Investments, it's all about the future value annuity. Ama loans, it's what? It's all about the present value annuity. Okay, now bega, there are steps to follow la, ne? There are steps to follow. The first thing ozoyenza uzothatha option A, and then you calculate your return yakhe angisho. So since this is an investment, so sithini, and it's important la, the payments start immediately, right? They start immediately. So sizothi ke for option A astroy timeline yakhona maybe. So timeline yakhona nayo T0, T1, T2. Option A for how many years? 10 years on a monthly basis. So 10 times 12, it's 120. So the last payment uyenza la ku 120. But the reason why ngiba ne timeline so that we can have the so that we can calculate the value ka n. The payments start immediately. 2,000 rand simqala kuphi ku T0 immediately, ngivula i-account ngifaka imali, right? And then the last payment so yenza la ku T120 nala ku T1 the following month nakhona ngisayofaka imali, uyabona. So the problem assumes that ukuthi wena ufaka imali on a monthly basis, you don't skip a month, right? So ubheka ke manje the value for n uzoba equal to 121 ngoba we started immediately. If I start counting from 0 fana nokuthi I need to add n, you add the 1 la 120. So 120 plus 1 is 121. If I started a month after opening the account or the investment account, n wethu bekazoba equal to 120 ngoba I start counting from T1 all the way up to T120. So our n lies equal to 121. Okay, future value is equal to x open bracket 1 plus I n minus 1 divided by I. So x it's 2000 open bracket 1 plus interest it's 18, so it's 0.18 divided by monthly divide by 12, and it's 121, so it's minus 1 la, divided by 0.18 over 12. Then we calculate to option A. 2000 vula 1 plus 0.18 over 12 vala 121 minus 1 divided by 0.18 over 12. So our answer is 674,515. 674,515, 03 cents. This is option A. Option B. Now option B, again we start immediately food, so it means that as it draw in a timeline yakhona, by the way. So T0, T1 all the way up to, so option B we invest imali yethu for how long? 15 years. So 15 times 12 it's 180, so it's T180. So since ngoba we start immediately, it means that to n wami yoba equal to 181. Yabon 181. So lana, so the future value is equal to 2000 1 plus 0.15 this time. This is 15%. So we divide by 100 in total 0.15, then over not 100 but 12 over 12 raised to exponent 181 minus 1 divided by 0.15 over 12 over 12 over 12. I see it again, man. So it's 2000. This time you're changing it to 15 much. 181 divided by 15. So our answer is 100. Whoa, it's a million. So it's 1,355,726. So it's obvious which option is better. 726 comma a, okay, 18, I mean 19 mali yakho, okay, in 50 years time. So therefore we can conclude with no, option B is better. Option B is better. So this is it about our investment. Now as movele to our loans again, manje. Let's take an example on our loans. Okay, loan example. Now see my loans again, manje. Loan, all right, with our loans, the first thing you need to calculate the monthly repayments made on a, okay, you need to calculate our repayments made on a monthly basis after the granting of the loan, right? Then so number one, you calculate our repayments. You calculate our repayments. Number two, calculate ama lokanj. You calculate ini ama total repayments. You calculate ama total repayments. Uqala ngama monthly repayments, then you calculate ama total repayments, then you compare. So sizowenza njalo ke. Lana we say repayments iqala. Repayments. We say repayments A, then city option A. Siqala ngo option A. Alright, option A, then city again. So since lawa ma loans we do what again? Sisebenzisa a present value formula. So it's x no go present value thing ngayikhohla le formula 1 plus I minus lana divided by I. Okay, I think you check it just to, I think you confirm okay, yeah, okay, this one, okay. Now, so in this example, when comparing our loans, shukuti jengala option A, but it determine which loan is better. Option A loan of 100,000. So bagupa a loan of 100,000. This is the value for P. If value ka P over 20 years at 15% per annum compounded monthly. But the repayments are made on a monthly basis starting 1 month after the granting of the loan. Ama loans ahlezi ahamba so. After 1 month of granting of the loan. Right? And then option B, bagupa the same 100,000 but over 30 years at 12% per annum compounded monthly. Repayments are made on a monthly basis starting 1 month after the granting of the loan. So lana we do this again. We need to calculate our monthly repayments. In other words, we need to make x the subject of the formula. So sizoti divide by 1, we cross multiply, and then we divide by this bracket. X muzoba equal to P times I, which is the interest, divided by the bracket 1 minus 1 plus I raised to exponent minus n, like this. So x is equal to, what's the investment, I mean the loan taken, it's 100,000 times what's the interest, to 15%, so it's 0.15 divided by it's compounded monthly, so we divide by 12. Everything divided by 1 minus 1 plus 0.15 over 12. And then what's the value for n again? So since our investment way to, I mean the repayment start 1 month after, so there's no need with this add 1, meaning that, so it's 20 years over 12 months is equal to 240. If it started immediately, so add 1, but since I started immediately, start a month after the granting of the loan, so n is the same as the 240. So about 240 close bracket. So my monthly repayments walana about 100,000 123 times 0.15, everything divided by 12, and then lana sibano 1 minus 1 plus 0.15 divided by 12, everything raised to exponent minus 240. There we go. So every month when you keep a 1316,79. Here we go. Option A. Option B, for option B we do the same. So the P is equal to, no, not P, but X. X is equal to, P, which is 100,000 times 0.15 over 12 divided by man, with 12% this time. It's 12%. It's 12%. It's 12% for option B divided by 12. It's monthly as well, divided by 1 minus 1 plus 0.12 over 12 raised to exponent minus. So this time it's 30 years. Yeah, it's 30 years. It's 30 years, so it's times 12 with 360. 360, then we calculate again. So a calculator, it's 100,000, but this time it's 12%. 12% was 12%. 360 equal to 1028.61. 1028.61. Yeah. Okay. So these are the monthly repayments for option B. For option A, it's this one. Therefore, B much. We calculate the total repayments, right? Total repayments. So see here for option A. For option A, okay, I see it. So option A, it's equal to, so lama repayments ka 1316.79. So apatala abengaki ayoba 240. So the 240 times 1316.79. Then we find a total repayment. You have 1316.79 times 240. Sithola ubani u3 awara ngithola u316 02960 cents. Then option B, you have 360 times 1028.61 is equal to 360 times 1028.61 is equal to 370,000. 299.60. Naso okay, yabo, it means that option A unjani ubetha ngoba ama interest are less la. I don't want to pay lo 360,000 for 100,000. Ngiboleke 100,000 but beka siyobhatala mali. That's 3 times this amount. Yabo. So I would rather stick with the option A over option B. Ngoba option A much more lesser than option B. So this is how you compare my loans nama investments. So I hope we enjoy this video. In the comments, what's this? In the description box, uzothola amanye ama links to ama videos are related to financial mathematics ka grade 12. So I hope we enjoy it. Akhohlwa ukulike, ukushare, nokusubscribe. So asibonane on the next one. Bye bye.